Hello all. So here I am coming up with one more tutorial on Illustrator. So what we are going to do in this tutorial is we are going to create a vector art in Illustrator. So what we'll be doing is like we are going to create a pencil over here right from scratch in Illustrator. So let's get started. So in the previous tutorials we have gone through the rectangle tool and pen tool and all this stuff. So in this tutorial we are going to create a pencil. So very first of all, let's take a rectangle over here. So let's draw a rectangle. So once you draw a rectangle over here using this tool, after drawing this rectangle, select this rectangle, and if you want to give a color, we can give a color, but definitely I'll give a color at the end. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. So just paste it in place. Let's click on this free transform tool and let's scale this. So as you can see over here, we have this part and there are two different rectangles now over here. Now what I'm going to do is let's zoom it and let's take one more rectangle over here. Let's draw one more rectangle or square over here. Select these two anchor points using a direct selection tool, and you have an option over here called horizontal align center. So when I'm going with the horizontal align center, it's not coming in the straight line. So what we need to do is we need to go into this and say align to selection and horizontal align center. So once you horizontal align center from here, as you will see that this point will come at the center. Now what I can do over here is like, let's zoom it, let's select this, let's go into the pen tool and let's add an anchor point over here, over here and over here. So once you have added this anchor point, let's shift and select this anchor points and use shift and up arrow to push it up. So once you have pushed this up, as you can see, we have done with this. Now what I can do over here is, before doing this, I'll just take one copy of this by pressing Alt and drag. Now I will select this, both shift and up. Select this and fill a color. Let's give any color to it and let's scale it over here. So you can easily scale this and you can place it over here. So once you're done with this, so now what I'm going to do over here is like, if you want to give any color to it over here, I can easily give a color to it. So let's again select this and let's give any color to it. Let's give a color. Select this and let's give a color to it. So once you have assigned a color over here, select this and let's give one more color over here. So come to the top, zoom it. Let's take a rectangle over here. Let's take a rectangle. So if you want that, we don't need the stroke, we can just remove the stroke. So just select this anchor points and just push that up. So select this, put 2 anchor points again, and you can just push that up. If you want to give a kind of a gradient look, you can give a gradient look also to this. So if you want to give a gradient look, you have a gradient tool over here to give a gradient. So before we start giving a gradient, select this color. So if you click on this, go into window, go into gradient. So once you click on this and if you drag this color over here, you can give multiple colors over here. So whatever colors you want to give, you can go with that. You can definitely add a few shades also over here. You can add few shades. If you don't need, you can just give some light colors. So if you push this colors further, you can see some shades over here. You can just delete it if you want. You can easily delete it. I'll just go over here. I can just push this in front a bit. I can just push this over here. So you can just give this. If you want one more shade over here, you can just go into it and just give one more shade over here. So now what I can do is I can just select this whole thing. So I don't need this border over here. I'll just remove this border. I'll select this pencil and I'll go into this object and I'll group it, Control G, and I'll just scale this pencil in this way. So if you see this, a pencil is created over here. So now what I can do over here is like I can just take a pen tool. I'll give a black color to it and I can just draw something like this, and I'll remove the fill color and I'll give a black color to the stroke to give it a pencil look. So now again draw a rectangle over here, and you can easily give a some dark color background. So arrange, send to back. As you can see this, remove the border. That's it. So that's what we have created over here. It's a vector. So if you zoom it, it won't get any kind of pixels, and it's also giving you a bit of depth over here because of the gradient tool over here, which we have created over here. So with the help of this basic rectangle and all this, we have created this pencil. So you can just go into file, save. You can save your file in Illustrator. If you want to save it in JPG, you can go into file, export in JPG, use artboards and pencil. Not going to print it, keep it as RGB. click OK. Resolution should be high and click OK. So once you click over here, your stuff is ready over here. So in this way we can create a lot of things over here with different. So this is a basic example over here, a vector art. So thanks for watching this tutorial.